Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It is time that we go through my trash again and see all the products that I have used up so that I can actually throw them away so they're not sitting in a bin in my bedroom. Most of these products you guys have already heard on my channel, so I'm not going to go too into depth, but I will tell you if I like them or not. Most of the time, if I have used it all the way up, I do like it, but if I'm going to repurchase, yada yada, I will let you guys know. Let's start off with some skincare. Let's go ahead and get the noisy things out of the way. So I just grabbed a few of these. I have a ton. The Neutrogena makeup wipes are what I always use on my daughter to help get the stuff off of her arms because I feel like it always stains her. So those help with that. And then I've got like 5 of these bags. These are the Shiseido cotton squares, facial cotton. Oh my gosh, we all know that's my favorite. I think everybody loves those. You can cut them in half to make them last longer, but I really like taking my whole hand and going like this to my skin. And then these are in here, but I don't buy these anymore. These are the only 2 that I have. I used to use them, but I feel like my skin is a little bit sensitive to them, so I started again just with swatches, but I'm not going to pick these up, I don't think, pretty much ever again, though I really like the smell of them. My favorite ones for actually cleansing my face are the Philosophy Purity Made Simple wipes. I love those. I've got 2 toners. One is from Mario Badescu. This is the Glycolic Acid Toner. I feel like this is a very basic, it's soothing, it doesn't dry out my skin or anything like that, but I won't repurchase it because I love this one so much. And you can get this in bottle form as well, but I like the little pads. They're pre-soaked. It's the Triad pads with the Arcona Cranberry Toner on them. They just come pre-soaked and it's just so much nicer because I always end up dumping out too much anyway and I go through the bottle really fast, but I love these. Some cleansers. This one is from Eve Lom and it's the Gel Balm Cleanser. If you're dry, you'll really like this. I'm not going to repurchase it, but I did really enjoy it. It comes in this nice little pump here. The smell is very medicinal herbal. It's very, very real. It's not those faux fake fragrances or anything. It's nice, but I just don't want to buy it again. This one I actually love and I do need to repurchase. This is the Armani Prima Instant Off Face, Eyes, and Lips Oil and Gel Foaming Cleanser. So you can use this straight onto your face to break it up, and then you can also use it wet and it foams, and this smells amazing. And it doesn't break out my skin or anything like that, and it doesn't leave a residue. Any oils or balms that leave a residue on my skin, I will always break out, and my pores start becoming enlarged, and this does not do that. This is my favorite straight up oil. It's the Cleanse Off oil from MAC, but the Tranquil. So this is for sensitive skin. You can tell the difference between the 2. The other one is a clear bottle, and Tranquil is this like turquoise. Love this stuff. A lot of times you can only find them at actual MAC stores. It's harder to find them at like the department stores with MAC in them, but you can also get them online. This would not be an empties video without one of these. Philosophy Purity Made Simple One-Step Cleanser, trying to throw it. I take these, I have a pump, and I just end up dumping them in there. I need to just go on, I think it's QVC or something like that. They sell the pumps, at least one of you guys told me that, but I just haven't done it yet. I've been using this cleanser since like Jaclyn Hill raved about it, I don't know how many years ago. This is the cleanser that stayed the longest with me. I love it. I always double cleanse, so I'm going to take a balm or an oil, something like that, to get my makeup off. And then I take the Purity Made Simple and I put it on my Clarisonic and go to town with it. This is another one that I go through all the time. This is the MAC Mineralized Volcanic Ash Exfoliator. This is an intense exfoliator, so like if you don't want to get real in there, I wouldn't get this. But the smell of this one, my husband thinks it stinks. I think it smells amazing, and it makes my skin so soft. It gets off all those dead skin cells. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I just repurchased one of these because I use it every single night with my Retin-A. I don't know why it works, but it does, and my skin loves me for this right here. I just got one of I think it's a red bottle. It's so pretty, but I will continue to purchase this. Another one from Estee Lauder. This is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. I did not just use this at night. I use this during the day. It works really well underneath your makeup. I don't see a huge difference with your eyes with this one. The biggest thing for me is hydration. It's very hydrating. I'm not going to repurchase it just because I've gotten back with my DEG BJ Revisions eye cream, and I love that so much. But it comes with this glass wand, and you just go right underneath the eyes. If you're just looking for hydration, this one is really nice. Or if you find other creams to be too thick, or you can't wear them underneath makeup, I really like this one. I actually just ran out of this one today. This is the Belif Hungarian Water Essence. This stuff is so nice. I'm trying all different kinds of serums, like hydrating serums. I'm not going to repurchase this right now, but I'm not going to say that I'm not going to in the future. I'm trying out the Clinique one after this. I've just been wanting to compare things, so that's the only reason why I'm not repurchasing this right away, but I do highly recommend it. One pump of this, put it on, and your skin feels really refreshed. If you're oily and you need hydration, I would definitely recommend this one. Another one I tried right before I tried that one was from Youth to the People. I love their cleanser. I keep forgetting to go ahead and grab it because I want that back in my collection. I just keep forgetting about it. But this is the Youth to the People Kale and Tripeptide 37 Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum. One pump. It's very watery, gel-like, kind of like the essence from Belif. But I think I like the Belif more than this one, and then this is really expensive for the size of it. So I would go with the Belif over this, but I do like this. Now I'm sure you guys remember me saying I didn't want to repurchase this, but I had to because my skin loves it. This is from Kate Somerville. It's the KateCeuticals Multi-Active Revive Triple Peptide Cream. This is perfect for me. So I'm combination. I get a little bit dry, but I'm also oily, and this is the perfect moisturizer. My skin feels nice, but it's not so thick that it's making me oily. It's amazing. And yes, I am still using this, so I have a fresh new one open. Before I found my Clarins Double Serum, I was using this guy here. This is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Sensitive Double Concentrate Serum. So this one, you have to dump a little thing in there and shake it up. It's really neat. My skin actually really liked this one, but I wouldn't say that it did much. Like, I didn't see a huge difference. I know my skin felt good and it liked this, but I felt like I needed just a little bit more. I think this is good if you want just a very lightweight serum, something that's going to do something for your skin. But yeah, I'm not going to repurchase just because I love my double serum so much more. I just ran through my hydroquinone. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but this is the 4% cream. I used to use 7%, which was mixed in with my Retin-A. Now I use them separately, and it takes a long time to go through one of these. I've had this one, I want to say it lasted like 6 to 8 months, a long time because you use very little, but this helps with any discoloration. Mine was for sun damage. Like, I had a whole lot of sun damage, and this pretty much took it away. It lightened it to the point that you really don't see it, except I have one spot right here, but you can't get this too close to your eye, so we just leave that alone. And that's prescription only, so like, you can't just run out and get that. If you want anything like that, you have to go to your dermatologist. I don't need to say much here. The MAC Lightful C Marine Bright Softening Lotion. This is my first step to my skincare routine in the morning. I love this stuff. And then I recently ran through these because Mama was having some issues with her eyes. This is the Patchology Flash Patch Eye Gels. I've always had these in my collection, but I didn't use them all the time. I just like a little pick-me-up. Well, when I had that reaction to the Drunk Elephant, I was putting them underneath to help hydrate my eyes, to soothe them and calm them down. They're just these little patches that go right underneath, and you put them on for 5 minutes. I don't wear them before makeup because I feel like I can get like it roll up a little bit, so I can't leave it on my skin, but I can at nighttime. So I will put these on in the bath while I'm watching YouTube in the bath and it just relaxes me and it feels nice, and then my skin underneath my eyes looks so much better. And I have already repurchased another container of those. Then we have MAC Fix Plus. I have not been using Fix Plus as much. Now that they have the luminous ones, I like those more, but I just feel like I've liked other things better than Fix Plus. So it took me a while to even go through this bottle, but like I said, I really like the new ones. I don't think I will purchase, I could be wrong, but I don't feel like I'm going to purchase any more of these. I already have 2 more backups, and I'll probably keep getting like the gold light and pink light, because even those I can spray my pigments or my eyeshadow, and even though they have glitter or pigment in them, it doesn't affect them. So probably not gonna get any more of these. Plus the price just keeps going up and up and up and up. I'm like, why though? I've got 2 new lash here. This is the lash serum I use to grow my lashes. I have a video all about my lashes. I already have a new one of these open. Yes, I'm going to continue to purchase these. Now I'm working on my bigger container. I'm about halfway through of the Laneige sleeping mask, a lip sleeping mask, but I went through this one. It took me a while. Like, this deluxe sample lasted me at least 2 months. It was really nice, but I love this stuff, and I'm not out of it all the way because, like I said, I just have another bottle back there, but when I am out, I will repurchase. I have one hair care product here. I used this when my hair was longer in platinum because it was really dry, and a lot of purple shampoos would really dry out my hair. This one did not. It's the Oribe Bright Blonde shampoo. So this it smells real, it's funky. Look at the top of that. It's nasty. But it smells so good. Like, so good. And my hair actually, I almost said skin, my hair feels nice when I use this shampoo, but I don't feel like I need to spend this money on this length of hair. So if I had longer hair, I would repurchase. I do recommend, if you have staining issues with other purple shampoos or other purple it's like a tongue twister. Other purple shampoos dry out your hair, I would suggest this. Let's get into the makeup part. So I have to put this in here because I'm about out of it. And another one bites the dust. I have, I think, 4 more, and then I have another one open. But it's still just, it freaks me out so badly. And I've gotten really lucky. I've had a few subscribers send me theirs because they didn't like it. And I'm like, you guys are a godsend. I love you so much, because this is my all-time favorite powder. This is the original La Mer powder. You guys, there's nothing I like more than this powder, but I can't just like keep talking about it because you guys can't get your hands on it. But I am like, I have probably 3 more uses in here, and then she's gone. I just ran out of this foundation here, and I'm kind of upset about this because I don't think they're making it anymore. It's a Le Beige from Chanel Gel Touch Healthy Glow Tint. This is one of my favorite lightweight, almost no coverage foundations, but they had an issue. Like, when I was last working, which now it's been a while, they were having issues with people having it in their purse and it was leaking. I never had any issues, but I never traveled with it. But I wanted to. Like, when I am in the hospital for my surgery, I was considering taking this, but I'm out of it and I don't think I can get another one. I love this. Let me actually go and look right now. I'm just gonna go to the Nordstrom site and see if I can find it. Yeah, it's on here, but it has 1 shade left. So my understanding is that they are hopefully going to repackage this because I loved this so much. If they come back out with it, I will repurchase, but unfortunately right now I can't. Another foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I am in the shade 1W2 Sand. Yep, I ordered another one yesterday because I think I used my last bit of it today. Like, I don't think I can get anything else out of here. This is one of my all-time favorite foundations. MAC Skin Refine Zone. Yep, just ordered that as well. This is what I use on my pores every single day. It's a treatment and an oil controller. If you have problems with your pores and you have not tried this, you need to. Just ran out of both of these. Well, I can't say just, because this one I've been out of for at least 2 weeks, and this one I just ran out of, but I'm not gonna throw this away because I like the container. This is the Under Eye Anti-Fatigue Primer from Becca. And I want to use this for like whenever I travel. Maybe I could put a little bit of powder in there for like the under eyes, because this thing gets a little bit messy. But I just really like the container, so I'm keeping this container. And then this, I've already opened another one, but this one here is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Powder. I've used this every single day since I found it. I tried it with other ones, like compared, but this is my favorite powder. I can't believe that it took the place of my Hourglass, but it just makes my eyes, the combo of these make my eyes look so much smoother and brighter. I love it. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am in the shade Light Neutral. We already know I already have another one of those. MAC Extended Play Giga Black, my favorite lower lash line mascara. I already have another one of those. I have a lot of mascaras here. Then my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm still buying this mascara, still using it. I again have another one ready. Monsieur Big from Lancome. This is my favorite. Out of all mascaras I've ever tried in the entire world, this is my favorite mascara. And then I have a MAC lip primer. I almost said MAC lip prep and prime. See, prep and prime lip primer. I love this stuff. I kind of forgot about it because I was using the lip mask so much, but I have recently started applying this again before my matte lipsticks. I just love this stuff. And then last but certainly not least, 2 brow products. This one is from Dior. I love this pencil so much. I wouldn't even buy it anymore if I could get the shade in Anastasia's Brow Wiz, because this is more expensive, but this color, I have like a little nub right there. None of them from Anastasia are this color. So that's why I keep repurchasing this, because I just think it is so good. And the shade is Universal Brown. I can get away with a lot of different pencils, but I just love that color so much. And then 24-Hour Brow Setter, favorite brow gel of all time. Will not be without this unless they come out with something better. This is my absolute favorite. And that's it. That's everything that was in my trash. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know some things down below that you run through a lot, because a lot of times I see these same things in my trash every single time I make these videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, and if you want to see this makeup tutorial, it is linked down below.